Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted pages in OneNote. If you've accidentally deleted important notes or pages, don't worry. OneNote has a built-in recycle bin feature that makes recovery straightforward. Let's walk through the process step by step. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Make sure you're logged into the correct account where your deleted pages were originally stored. Once the app opens, you'll see your notebook structure on the left side panel. This is where we'll be doing most of our work today. Once your notebook has been loaded, look at the left side panel where all your notebooks are located. This panel shows you the hierarchy of your notebooks, sections, and pages. To recover deleted pages in OneNote, right-click on the notebook where you wish to recover deleted pages. When you do this, a context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, you'll see the Notebook Recycle Bin option. This is where all the pages you've deleted are located, essentially acting as a safety net for any content you've removed. Click on Notebook Recycle Bin, and you'll notice a new tab appears at the bottom of the notebook you've selected. This tab contains all your recently deleted content. You'll see the deleted notes drop down, and under it you'll see the deleted pages section. This section displays a chronological list of all pages that have been removed from this particular notebook. Now on the Page tab, locate the page or pages you wish to recover. Take your time browsing through the list to find exactly what you need. The pages are usually organized by deletion date, making it easier to track down recently removed content. Once you've located the page you want to restore, right-click on it. A small window will appear with recovery options. From this menu, click on the Move or Copy option. This is the key step that allows you to restore your deleted content back to its original location or move it to a different section entirely. After clicking Move or Copy, you'll see a Notebook Directory window appear. This window displays your entire notebook structure, showing all available notebooks, sections, and subsections. From here, simply select the Notebook tab where you wish to have it restored back. You can choose the original location or pick a new spot if you prefer to reorganize. Once you've made your selection, click on Move, and your page will be instantly restored to that location. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your deleted pages in OneNote. The restored page will now appear in the section you selected, with all its content intact. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.